I'm bored. Me too.
Me 3.
What should we do? What about I Spy? Okay.
I'll go first. I spy with my little eye something beginning with sa.
Sofa?
Yes!
Aww. My turn. I spy with my little eye something beginning with C. Clock. Yes.
Aww.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with L.
Lamp.
No, lemur.
Hi guys, I'm Julian, the ring-tailed lemur.
Well, I'm James, the human boy.
I'm Devon.
I'm Gray.
Nice to meet you all. A little birdie told me that you're all bored.
We are.
Then I came to the right place. I know what you can do to stop being bored.
What?
Let's go to Trotters World of Animals and meet some of my animal friends.
Yay!
Come on.
So what is there to see at Trotters?
There's lots of different animals from all over the world.
Like what? I love animals.
Well, when we get in, I'll take you to see my meerkat friends first. They're so funny and interesting.
I love meerkats. Oh, look, there they are.
Yay!
Meerkats are originally from South Africa, and these cheeky chappies love to spend lots of time with their enormous family. Imagine if you lived with not only your mum, dad and brothers and sisters, but also your grandma, grandpa, aunts, uncles and cousins. You'd have to have a very big house. Meerkats love to dig. They live in burrows underground because that way they're safe and cosy, and also surrounded by food. It's almost like living in a gingerbread house. Meerkats don't eat sweeties though. They eat insects, eggs, lizards and sometimes even snakes and scorpions. Don't try this at home though. Meerkats have specially evolved to be immune to scorpion venom. When you have such a big family, you look out for each other. That's why meerkats stand upright like that. They're keeping watch for danger. The meerkats take it in turns, and if it was your turn, you'd be called a sentry. It's your job to protect everyone while they look for tonight's tea. Here at Trotters World of Animals, we have a large meerkat colony, including some adorable babies who have already started trying to be like mum and dad.
What's it like where they come from?
In the Kalahari Desert, meerkats make their burrows in sandy ground. It's more important to look out for predators here, as it's not as safe as their enclosure at Trotters World of Animals. The Kalahari Desert stretches across parts of Botswana and Namibia, which are countries in South Africa. Many animals live there, such as leopards and cheetahs and of course meerkats.
Look, what are they?
They're Lyle gibbons. Imagine what it would be like to have arms that are longer than your body. No wonder they walk funny. Lyle gibbons are from Thailand and Burma, where they live up in the trees in the rainforest. They live in tight family groups, like you'd probably do with your mum and dad. Here at Trotters World of Animals, the daddy gibbon, Brian, is the oldest Lyle gibbon in Europe. That's pretty impressive. You'd have to be at least 120 to be the oldest human. Like some other primates, gibbons live off a diet of fruit, insects and leaves, and they love it. Would you like to eat leafy salad each day? They love to play, just like you, swinging around and hanging from trees. Their arms are so strong that they can hang there for a very long time. They move by walking or swinging from branch to branch. They love to make lots of noise, just like you.
Why are they in a zoo and not in the wild?
Trotters World of Animals is part of a zoo network called BIASA. That helps to save endangered species. Gibbons in the wild are in danger. They are already extinct from China and are in danger in Thailand, Burma and the Malay Peninsula. In these countries, their treetop houses are being cut down for wood and they are being hunted for meat. Would you eat a gibbon burger?
A gibbon burger would be yucky.
They're too cute, really. What was that?
That was a bald eagle. Shall we go see?
Yes, please.
Wow, he's amazing.
Thank you. The old Americans believed because the bald eagle has a long life and lives freely, it would be lucky for the country. They also thought chocolate was healthy and the world was flat. We love to eat fish, scooping it right out of the water with our long hooked talons. Imagine if you had to try to catch your food like that. I have very good eyesight. I can see for a long distance. How far can you see? We also have very good hearing and can live up to 30 years. That's a long time for a bird. We can have a wingspan of up to 2.5 meters and can fly great distances. My name is Bill. and I live at Trotters World of Animals. I'm very sociable. I can sometimes be seen flying in the bird flying display.
Where are bald eagles from?
Bald eagles are from North America, where they rule the roost.
Why are they called bald eagles? They're not bald.
They're called bald eagles because in the old days, bald meant white, meaning the white feathers called plumage on the eagle's head. Because of their proud expression, the Americans made it their mascot. In the United States of America, bald eagles can be found in every state except Hawaii. There are 50 states in America, so that's quite an achievement. They are most common in the state of Alaska and can also be found in Canada, just over the border.
Wow! Look!
Hi, I'm an Asian short-clawed otter. I love to make lots of noise and talk to my friends. I also love to swim, spending most of my time in the water. I'm very good at it. I like to go under the surface and play hide and seek with the others. I am the smallest and probably the noisiest type of otter. There are 12 types in the world. I eat amphibians like frogs and small mammals like mice and voles. They are yummy. I get very excited near food time and like to shout at the keepers to hurry up. I also love running up and down and trying to get your attention. I should have been an actor. My coat is designed to keep my skin dry, which is very useful when I'm in the water so much. It's like your raincoat, but I can't take it off. It's utterly brilliant. I'm going to go for a swim now. Bye.
Bye.
Look everybody, it's my family.
Oh look, it's got a baby!
Hey, so fluffy. They're really cute.
Thanks. Ring-tailed lemurs are from Madagascar, and though we do like to move it, it's not all we like to do. We are very sociable and live in female-dominant groups. That means the girls are in charge. When we get cold, away from the hot temperature of our home in Madagascar, we will huddle together in a tight ball to keep ourselves warm. Ring-tailed lemurs get our name because of the black rings on our long tails. Our tails are used for balancing whilst up in trees. Unlike the gibbon, which has no tail, because they've evolved not to need one. We make full use of ours. We love to hop about from branch to branch. Our bodies grow to be about 46 centimetres long, which is about the length of your arm. We eat fruits and leaves, and we especially love grapes. We are very healthy eaters. There are 71 species of lemur in Madagascar, and 3 of them live at Trotters. There are ring-tailed lemurs, red ruff lemurs, and black and white lemurs. We are all very sociable and also very loud.
What's this?
That's information about Azafadi. Trotters World of Animals works closely with a charity called Azafadi. Azafadi works with schools and communities in Madagascar. They fight against hunger, suffering and environmental change. The forests in Madagascar are becoming endangered, and this means that wildlife is threatened. Trotters World of Animals link to Azafadi through their Lemur Venture project.
That's really cool!
I've enjoyed all the animals so far.
What else is there to see?
Well, if we just walk along here, there are wildebeest, servals, which is a type of big cat, and Grant zebra.
What's a Grant zebra?
The Grant zebra is a type of plain zebra. They still have the stripes, but are smaller in size. They come from the Serengeti Desert. This desert covers some of Tanzania and Kenya, which are countries in Africa. They live in herds, which means a big group. These herds have about 17 to 18 zebras, led by a single stallion, which means male zebra. They live up to about 20 years of age. Zebras are stripy because if they are being charged, the stripes are confusing to the predator. Out on the plains, there are many predators, such as lions, leopards, cheetahs and African wild dogs. Do you like running? Zebras do, and can reach very fast speeds very quickly. You'd have to be very clever and patient to catch one, which is why out in the wild, predators tend not to go for them. At Trotters World of Animals, there are 4 Grant zebra, 2 girls, or mares, called Winnie and Kai, and 2 boys or stallions called Marty and Leon. They are very friendly.
They look beautiful.
What's it like where they come from?
In Africa, it is very hot and sunny. The Grant zebras keep cool by whipping their tails back and forth. This also acts as a fly swatter. It's sometimes dangerous to go swimming in the river to cool down because crocodiles can lurk there. Grant zebras love to eat the coarse grass that grow on the plains. They might not look appealing to you, but the zebras love them.
I don't like to eat green stuff.
I do, and I know somebody else who does too. Come on.
Yuck! What is that smell?